And the last day of the week, the 26th of October, now we have the 8th as how we communicate with ourselves. We have the 10, our mastery number, the 7, the 9 as what we bring from this year. So we want to go inside and we want to let go what's not supportive to us. And the path is another 9. So today this is the most sensitive day of the week. And I always see the 9 as like a volcano that can explode when the tension is too much. So if you feel blocked, if you feel like it's too much, just shake out your body, shake it out, let go of the tension, release, breathe out, focus on your outwards breath, let it go, let it be. And remember, the 9 is also connected to the universal love. Everything comes from love. So love is always the answer. And you might feel like, I don't know, I don't feel loved. I have had things going on with me. But you are loved, and you are loved, and feel the power of yourself and feel it in all the different layers, because the 9 is our subtle body. So it's not just with our head, but it's with our gut that we feel, and we already know so much. So trust your gut is something that really will help you today. And just to breathe out and let it go. If things are getting too much, the sun will rise tomorrow again, and your smile is going to help you through all the challenges. Your breath is always there. So connect to your breath, feel it, and enjoy it. Enjoy this moment in all the different layers, and it is okay. And you know what you know, and trust what you know. You know you can trust your gut feeling. And that's something different than something that you have thought of. It is this knowing that came from somewhere, and you have no idea where it comes from. But it is that trust. And then you can just let go and surrender. And even like my dog, go into a deep, deep state of relaxation. So relax as much as you can. It's a Sunday, so yeah.